Hello! I'm gonna tell you how to factor completely a trinomial. This is the trinomial we're going to factor. 24m cubed n minus 12m squared n squared plus 16m n cubed. And first we're going to factor out the GCF. Which is the GCF? The GCF here, so we can see that we have m as a common variable, and m to the first power will be the GCF for m. And for n, n. And of numbers 24, 12, and 16. The GCF of 24, 12, and 16 is 4 or 8. No, it's not 8. It's 4. So the GCF is 4mn. So we're going to factor out the GCF. Factor out the GCF. Mn factor of, so 4 times 6 is 24. M to the second power minus 12, 4 times 3, mn plus 4 times 4, 16, so it's 4 n to the second power. N to the second power. So we have two factors, a monomial 4mn and a trinomial 6m squared minus 3mn plus 4n squared. So let's factor the trinomial. Factor the trinomial. To factor the trinomial, you gotta know which factor represents A, which factor represents B, and which factor represents C. This is a trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. As you could see, A will be 6, B is minus 3n, and C is 4n squared. 4n squared. So to factor this trinomial, we're going to multiply A times C. Multiply A times C. A times C in this case is 24 n squared. N squared. And find two, we could say, terms whose product is 24n squared and whose sum is b, I mean 3n. 3 minus 3n minus 3n is minus 3n. So which are these terms? Which are the terms? The terms are, which are these terms? Think a little bit. Remember, if you don't know how to find it, you have to use the prime factorization of 24. So for example, two factors that gets 24, 12n we need 12n and 2 plus 2n. So we got it or not? No. So try another 2. 12, 6, and 4. We have 2. 6 plus 4, 10. No. 6 minus 4. No. 2. Another 2. 8 and 3. No, it doesn't work as well. And 3. There's another 2. Yes, 24 and 1. 24 and 1. So there are no terms. There are no terms that fulfill that accomplish the requirements. As there are no terms, the polynomial cannot be factored. The trinomial is prime. As we could see that the trinomial is prime, we have to say that this is the answer. This is the final factoring. We factor completely the trinomial. So answer. The answer is that 24 equals to 4mn factor of 6m squared minus 3mn plus 4n squared. Always check that the trinomial is prime by using a times c, and try to find two terms whose product is a times c and whose sum is b minus 3n. Okay? And that's how you can factor completely a polynomial, and you can try if a trinomial is prime or not. Thank you for your attention.